All right, everybody. The car is back from paint. Woo-wee. Now we just need to get it unloaded and start doing some assembly. Can't wait. It's been about 3 months. Paint shop was busy with insurance jobs, but it's finally painted. All right, we've got the 4-door sedan on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and start pulling the engine out, the rear subframe and everything else that goes with that. We're also gonna be pulling out the old AC system. We're gonna be upgrading that, and I'll talk a little bit more about that as we get into that. But yeah, everything is gonna get pulled off here. We'll go ahead and replace it with all new components. All right, everybody, so we've got engine, transmission all pulled out. At the rear, we have the old subframe out. We've gone ahead and cleaned everything and resprayed it. It's already dry, and we're getting ready to reinstall the subframe. I wanted to show you, we've already installed the stainless steel brake lines. We've got a new fuel filter, new fuel lines. We also replaced the filler neck here. These are notoriously going bad. And here, let me show you the subframe. We've gone ahead and we've installed some slotted rotors. We've got new brake lines here. We've painted the calipers red, polished street mounts here and here. We've got a nice set of axles and an LSD. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed, and then we'll go ahead and pressure wash everything here at the front in the engine bay and proceed with the next phase. Getting some progress done on the Sedan. Tim over here getting the carpet shampooed. Excuse the noise, we're all working. Man, that carpet's looking great. Wow, what a difference. We're just using the little shampooer. I made a video earlier on how to use that and what it does, so there you go. Engine has been in. Valves are adjusted. We got very little left before we can fire this guy up. Obviously, we still need to do the rest of the exhaust system, so it'll go back on the lift, but very little time to work on our own stuff, so it's hit or miss when we can do stuff. Hey, so we managed to get a lot of stuff done in between our other everyday today jobs and duties and everything like that. I didn't want to have everyone wait any longer than they've already waited, so we got the engine with the transmission and all the components in the car. We got some interior stuff done, the new dash is in, and a bunch of stuff done in the engine bay, brakes, suspension, all that's done. In the next episode, I will devote that episode. It'll be an episode on its own on the headliner installation. So I know everyone's been waiting. Well, that's coming. So we're gonna do the headliner installation video. That'll be just a video on its own. So that's coming next. And that'll also, in that video, I'll show you how to put the glass back in with the seals. So stay tuned for that. That'll be in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I will do my best to get that done for everyone, and then hopefully you enjoyed everything we've been doing. This video was kind of rushed because we've been so busy and I haven't had a chance to explain some of the stuff we've been doing, but at least it's somewhat enjoyable and you get to see progress on the car. Thanks. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you subscribing, all the comments and love and everything else. Till next time, peace.